pest control is no urban myth. That floating skull just won't shut up. It's on a business trip, I'm below the crust. Y'all know what's up. Bad news from the black lung, used to flatline. That shit is so last month, yo. I don't need money to burn, I need sunsets purple and mother of pearl, come on.
I told ya, hey, they come now, you see that? Yeah. Hey, they come now, you see that? Yeah.
Right here, money, grab the key, baby, grab the key.
I told ya, hey, they come now, you see that? Yeah. Hey, they come now, you see that? Yeah.
I'ma need you to ease back. No peace out, lead to the evac. Don't be where you be at. I've been looking for a reason to react. I'ma need you to reset. No plea, no please, no defense. Don't creep in the deep end. I've been looking for a reason to see red. Territorial organisms, each glorifying our poor decisions. I'm a force you can forecast, swarming insects who eat all the corn like war is business. I'm pageant wave for my shallow grave. Patch me in from that astral plane, ain't ring the bell. I pass through the walls of cool burgundy in both tooth and claw. Midnight manage an incredible feat. A GPS collar on the neck of the beast to go. Beep beep, any neck of the reef. Put a reaper on a second week of medical leave. I'm a seer, I can tell you how the curtain descend. And maybe hint at how it isn't with a circle of friends. I go by with the black sheep. Rah, catch me a patsy. Spaz unravel and blaspheme. Riddler to keep the gate. It's a Groundhog D-Day, Jesus H. I was born on a horse at a steeplechase. My forte's frontline real estate. Plus steak and freaks that take bloody as hell. If it burn black, point them at the honey and milk. I ain't sitting while you silly the well. I turn up in a jiff. Jackknife when I jump in the pit. 100 hands, 1 million eyes, 2 bleeding gums. I will survive. That last line's rose colored only for a limited time. It all shifts when you militarize. I had a vision of a feather on a seasonal wind. In the shadow of a gargoyle fleeing a brick. Lean in, steal your chips. Where I'm from, y'all wouldn't even be in the mix. Hey.
I told ya,